Welcome back. You can also go live without an event. If you look down in your left-hand corner, you're going to see a button here that says Go Live. You can click that button. What you're going to do is you're going to give your live stream a title, and you're going to give your live stream a URL. Now this URL is going to be important because you're going to give that URL to people in order to attend your live stream if you intend to make it private. Again, if we want the live stream to be made available to us in our recording area, we're going to leave this ticked on. We're going to click Set the Live Stream Access. We can then determine that the stream access is going to be private. And in that case, we can go straight to test our video. What you're going to notice here in this area is you also have a share link for your live stream. So what you have now is a posting area. You also now have a share link available that you can give people in order to attend your live event. You're then going to click on Enter Backstage. And when you're ready, you can do the live stream. What you'll want to do is you'll want to pass on the link to the post as well as the link to the live stream so that individuals will be able to attend. You can then click Go Live in order to go live. Now the stream will take some time to initialize. The stream will then be live and you will then be recording. Once you have completed your live stream, you can then click End Stream. And basically, you can go live inside your Circle account even without an event. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.